Are you frustrated with Google Chrome constantly freezing or becoming unresponsive on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer? This infuriating issue can disrupt your productivity and online browsing experience. While there are numerous suggested solutions available online, many users find them ineffective or outdated. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the latest and most reliable methods to resolve the Google Chrome not responding error on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. From simple tweaks to advanced troubleshooting techniques, we'll cover a range of strategies to resolve the Google Chrome not responding and get your beloved Chrome browser back in working order. While rebooting a PC is typically a challenging decision, it has the potential to resolve a wide range of errors. We opted to give the restart method a try, and surprisingly, it managed to get Chrome up and running smoothly. If rebooting your device fails to resolve the issue, let's explore alternative troubleshooting options. Renaming Chrome's shortcut could fix this annoying error. First, we need the Google Chrome location. You can get its location from its desktop icon. Right-click on the Google Chrome icon. Click Open File Location from the context menu. If you don't find the Google Chrome icon on the desktop, copy and paste this location in the address bar to get Chrome's location. You can find the location address in the description. In the Location folder, right-click on Chrome and choose Rename. You now have to rename it to something like Chrome 2 and press Enter. It will require administrator permissions. Click Continue to give permission. After renaming the Chrome icon, right-click on it and then hover mouse cursor over Send to and click Desktop. If you don't find the Send to option in Windows 11, simply click Show More option to switch to the classic context menu. Hover mouse cursor over Send to and click Desktop. Get back to Desktop. Now, you'll see a new shortcut named Chrome 2 on your desktop. You will have to use this shortcut to launch Chrome. Launch Chrome 2 to check if the error is fixed. Google Chrome is functioning properly. However, please be aware that this is not a permanent solution and the error may recur at any time. If this method doesn't resolve the issue, let's explore alternative solutions to tackle this frustrating error. While not a guaranteed solution, the Task Manager can sometimes resolve issues and enable you to fix this error to use Google Chrome successfully. Instead of closing Google Chrome directly, we'll terminate it through the Task Manager. To open the Task Manager, right-click on the Start menu and choose the Task Manager option from the context menu. Scroll through the list of processes until you spot Google Chrome, then right-click on that entry and click End Task to terminate it. Next, open Google Chrome. This should assist you in navigating Chrome effectively. Given that the previously suggested solutions were ineffective, we propose 3 last resort solutions that you may wish to try. Perform a thorough uninstallation of Google Chrome, including all associated user profiles and related components. To ensure a clean removal, we advise utilizing third-party uninstaller software designed for this purpose. Uninstalling Google Chrome without the use of a Google profile or Google Sync will erase your bookmarks, history, and other locally saved data. Be mindful of this consequence as you weigh the pros and cons of removing Chrome from your device. When all else fails, Chrome Canary may be a viable solution, as it presents the user with the same comprehensive range of capabilities available in the regular Google Chrome offering. If Chrome Canary 2 acts the same as Google Chrome, we advise shifting your focus to web browsers like Opera, Microsoft Edge, and others that are based on the Chromium project. While the suggested solutions may temporarily rectify the issues with your Google Chrome installation, it's essential to recognize that none of these methods provide a permanent resolution. The error has the potential to recur unexpectedly. Nevertheless, the tips outlined below may prove helpful in preventing or reducing the likelihood of this annoying error from recurring. Regularly updating your Google Chrome browser is recommended, as it can significantly reduce the chances of encountering errors and other potential problems. To check for and install Chrome updates, click on the three-dot icon, hover over the Help menu, and choose the About Google Chrome option. This will trigger an automatic update process, ensuring your browser is up to date. Take a thorough look at the extensions currently installed in your browser and begin by uninstalling those that are no longer required or serve no practical purpose. In cases where you have numerous VPN extensions installed, it is advisable to narrow it down to the single extension you require, while either removing or temporarily turning off the functionalities of the others. Further, ensure that the extensions you actively use are updated manually and remove any superfluous extensions from your browser. Windows Defender is good, but it's not enough on its own. If you download online content frequently, consider using a third-party antivirus alongside it. We remain optimistic that implementing one of the previously suggested solutions will aid in rectifying the frustrating situation where Google Chrome fails to respond. If you have discovered any other effective solutions, we welcome you to share them in the comments section, and we will revise this guide to incorporate your proposed fixes. Please feel free to post any queries, recommendations, or additional questions you may have in the comments section below.
Please visit softsuggester.com to get download links and more info. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Simple Tutorials to help us make more useful videos. Please ring the bell button to get the latest updates.